Today I am going to show you how to create a beautiful Bohemian style wall art using a piece of wood that I got from the park or a branch and some scarves. So the first thing you're going to do is take your scarf and fold it in half. This way we're going to make the use of one scarf and turn it into two. Then take your fabric scissors and cut along the width of the scarf, so all down this side here. Now your scarf should be in two halves, so I've got this part here and then I have another part there. So you're going to take one part of your scarf and fold that like this. And once you've folded your scarf, you're going to take your twig or your branch or your piece of wood and put your scarf on top of it. So you want it to have two sides like this, so that you can give it sort of a plait or a braid. So that's what I'm going to start doing now. And you can do it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. And once you've finished, just decide on the length that you want your wall art to be, and I think mine is perfect, probably around here. So I'm going to tie a knot in this. Going to take your scarf, bring it round, and then just hoop it like that. And then we're going to cut this later. Now we're taking a different shade of scarf, and this is how it looks in comparison. So it's going down just a little bit in shade, and we're going to do exactly the same thing. Open it up, cut it in half so that we get two scarves out of one. So this is how I do mine. I folded it in half and I've made a snippet so that I can just go ahead and tear it, the rest, and that will make sure that it's accurate all down the middle. And the great thing about this is that you can reuse old scarves, and if you don't have any old scarves, then you can just buy these from the dollar store. So this is a really inexpensive craft and it's affordable. And if you want the exact scarves I've used, I've got these off as a deal, which I will link for you in the description box. And for this, I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm taking the two ends, putting them together so that we have a half. And then I'm going to take our branch again and put this on there, make a knot on there. I'm not finished with this yet, but we're going to come back to this later. Now I'm moving on to a third scarf, and again a different shade, and I'm going to do the exact same process. Cut this in half, then fold it on here in half and create a knot. And because this is quite big, I'm probably going to go in with two more colours and then repeat these two on the end here. So again, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Open this up, cut it in half and then tie a knot on here. So I've gone in with my fifth colour now, and now I'm going to go back on repeating. So I'm taking this colour here, and then I'm going to take the mustard colour there and finish off. So again, these are already halved because we halved it before. So all I'm going to do now is just knot it on here as well. And then with the last one, I'm halving it as I did earlier so that we can plait it or braid it. So just swing that on like this. And now what we're going to do is take some scissors and create a V shape at the bottom, cutting all across here. And to make this easier and make it more precise, you can go ahead and mark it with a pen. That's what I've done. It does make it a bit easier, I think. So I'm going to start just cutting across on the first scarf. So you can see the end here, it's all various lengths and it's in a V shape. So that's what you want, something a bit similar to this. So now all you're going to do is take your scissors, and on these 5 scarves, you're going to cut all along, all the way up here, so that you're creating strips. I'm probably going to cut 3 in total. just going to keep doing that on these two. And now to finish off, I'm taking some twine, I'm going to wrap it on the ends of my stick and make a knot, and on the end as well. And here's a finished DIY. I did this for fall, but you can change the colours for any seasons or just for all year decor. I actually do like it hung up and I think it looks pretty trendy. And I really do love the earthy colours that I've used. I hope that you have enjoyed this DIY and the tutorial, and if you have, don't forget to please leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, I would absolutely love for you to join me and click that subscribe button. That's it for now, take care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next DIY.